Hello student, good morning. How are you all? After studying now today we will study pronoun. Noun means naming things, right? Then pronoun, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Okay, instead of noun, a word we use, it is pronoun. Okay, see the example. Sita is a good girl. Sita always comes first. So you just see Sita is a good girl, right? In the second sentence, it is used Sita always comes first. Now see the second sentence. Sita is a good girl. She always comes first. So here in the first sentence it is written Sita, Sita and Sita. In the second one it is written Sita, and instead of Sita, Sita is a noun, and instead of noun it is used pronoun. And Sita is a girl or lady, and that is why for female we use she, and for male we use he, right? ये तो आप सबको पता है. Okay, so instead of noun the word is used is pronoun. So Sita is a good girl and she always comes first. So she is pronoun. Now let's see another kinds of pronoun here. Pronouns are classified as follow. Okay, first one is personal pronoun. So personal pronoun refers to the people, things that are being talked about. Okay, like first is a sentence, we just see the example. I am playing. So I is a personal pronoun. We are playing. So we is a personal pronoun. Now let's see another pronoun. Reflexive pronoun refers to the pronoun that reflect the action done by the subject upon itself. Now let's see the example. I slapped myself for spoiling my work. So here myself is used. यहाँ पर क्या है? I slapped myself for spoiling my work. So I and myself are, so myself is reflexive pronoun. He hurt himself due to his carelessness. So himself is a reflexive pronoun. Now third one is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronouns refers to the pronoun that emphasizes upon the action done by the subject. Okay, so refers to the pronoun that emphasis मतलब किस पर भार रखता है? जिस action done by the subject, जो subject के द्वारा वर्क किया गया. Like I myself cleaned the big house. She herself admitted her mistake. So here it is an emphasis on the subject, like myself and she, इसके लिए herself. So emphasis किया गया, यहाँ पर भार दिया गया है. Okay, and that is why it is emphatic pronoun. Now indefinite pronoun, okay, refers to the pronoun that talk about people, thing in a general way. Okay, let's see the example. One does not know what to say here. So one means indefinite. यहाँ पर नाम नहीं है, okay, कोई मतलब I नहीं है, me नहीं है, we नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. One मतलब कोई एक. तो कोई एक होता है means definite नहीं होता है, that is indefinite. None should ever hit them. None should ever hit them. So none is an indefinite pronoun. Now let's see the other example. Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun refers to the pronoun that talk about the people, thing taken one as a whole. Each of the children has received a toy. So each मतलब हर एक को toy मिला. Either of the direction leads to the same destination. So either. So here it is the pronoun which is distributive. Okay. Now let's study persons. So first person, second person and third person are there. The first column is nominative case, second one is objective case, and third one is possessive case. Okay, so first person I and we are the first person. I, objective case me, and possessive case my and mine. If suppose the sentence I am a girl and this bag is mine. I am a girl and this bag is mine. I am a girl and this pen is mine. मैं लड़की हूँ और ये पेन मेरी है. Okay. I am Nita and my sister name is Sita. So my means possessive case, कुछ belongs करता हो. We means we are Indian and our Prime Minister is Sri Narendra Modi. So our means belongs to the country, belongs to the person. So I and we, me and us, my, mine, our, ours. Okay. Second person you. Objective case you and possessive case your and yours. You are a boy and this is your bag. Okay. You are a student and your class teacher is so and so. Okay. Now third person, he, she, it and they. So he, she, it for singular and they for plural. So he turn into him, she, her, it, its. Then his, her, hers, it, its. This dog is, we can say that this is a dog and its tail is curved. Okay. They, them, their and theirs. Student, now see some of the example. I don't like dogs, so I is pronoun. We sent her some flowers. We is pronoun. Rahim gifted a pen on his birthday. So Rahim gifted a pen on his birthday. Okay. So instead of Rahim, it is used his. This is their garden. So there is pronoun. I told her a story. So I and her are pronouns. They don't like me. So they is pronoun. Me is also pronoun. She sent us some flowers. So she is pronoun. He gifted Rahim a skating at Eid. So he. Okay, he is pronoun. Our home has beautiful interior. So our is also pronoun. I found her ring in the park. So I and her are pronouns. Now student, just see some of the example. Emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are the compound personal pronouns used for the sake of emphasis. Okay. I myself can read it. Ravinder should do it himself. Some of the emphatic मतलब किसी को फोर्स देकर भार देकर जो बात बताई जाती हो. You yourself may explain the topic well. She herself said she wanted to complete the project all by herself. They themselves came forward to help Naren. You yourself will have to learn this chapter. We ourselves repaired the leakage in the pipe. Rosie herself confessed the truth. Okay, so Ravinder is a boy. So that is why boy means he himself, I myself, you yourself. She is a girl. So she herself, they themselves, you yourselves, we ourselves. And Rosie is a girl. So Rosie means she herself. So keep in your mind when you are using emphatic pronoun. कभी कभी बच्चे क्या करते बोलते हैं मतलब वो जो होता है दे यूज़ करते उसके साथ कभी कभी दे के साथ हिमसेल्फ आता है तो कभी कभी हर सेल्फ यूज़ कर देते हिमसेल्फ यूज़ कर देते. सो while you are attending your writing section on when you want to use this emphatic pronoun, keep in your mind कि सी के साथ हर सेल्फ ही आता है हिम के साथ हिमसेल्फ ही आता है. ओके. सी मीन्स हर सेल्फ. लड़की है तो हर सेल्फ, लड़का है तो हिमसेल्फ. यू अगर है सेकंड पर्सन है तो योर सेल्फ आएगा. सो इन दिस वे द प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड. Now student, let's talk about demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those are demonstrative pronoun. There also demonstrative pronoun. Let's see some of the example. Do it like this. So this is demonstrative pronoun. What's that over there? So there is demonstrative pronoun. These are better than those. सो दीज जो है वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन है. इन दिस व्हाट यू वांट, सो दिस इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव मीन्स द थिंग और द पर्सन, कुछ भी हो उसको आप फिंगर करके बता सको, वो होता है डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द indefinite pronouns. So we will understand by some of the example. One does not know what to do in such a situation. किसी को भी पता नहीं कि ये सिचुएशन में क्या किया जाए. तो one is indefinite pronoun. None should ever abuse anyone. None, few, one. So these are indefinite pronoun. मतलब कि हम कहेंगे कि कोई भी यहाँ पर नहीं है, तो कोई भी, मतलब हमने किसी का नाम नहीं लिया, कुछ भी नहीं कहा, तो कोई भी कहा, तो कोई भी जो होता है, कोई एक यहाँ पर आ जाओ, कभी टीचर कहते हैं ना कोई एक यहाँ पर आ जाओ, तो सो कोई एक. सो वन, नन, फ्यू, नन आर द indefinite pronoun. Now student, we will understand distributive and reciprocal pronoun. Distributive pronouns refers to a single person or thing in a group, one at a time. अगर मैं कहूँ कि आप में से सपोज कि यहाँ से कोई भी खेलने नहीं जाएगा आज, तो कोई भी खेलने नहीं जाएगा, मैंने मतलब पूरे क्लास में मैंने कहा कि कोई भी, ओके. तो पूरे क्लास में किसी सिंगल को अगर दर्शा गया है कि पूरे क्लास में से कोई एक की बुक जो है बहुत ही अच्छी है या फिर अच्छी नहीं है, तो पूरे क्लास में से किसी एक की बात हुई, तो इट रिफर्स टू अ सिंगल पर्सन और थिंग इन अ ग्रुप में किसी एक को दर्शाता हो, मीन्स इट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन. नीदर ऑफ टू सेंटेंसेस इज करेक्ट, मतलब दोनों में से एक भी करेक्ट नहीं है. Each of the boys is, and student keep in your mind, neither means always, we use always this neither for the negative sentences. Each of the boys has received a present. So each and has are the distributive pronoun. Each of these picture books cost 200 rupees. So each is also distributive pronoun. Either of the method leads to the same result. So either is also distributive pronoun, right? Now reciprocal pronoun are those which denote reciprocal or mutual action. Okay, the two brothers loved each other, one another. So these are reciprocal pronoun, जिसमें क्या हो, mutual action हो. Okay, the three brothers love one another. So एक दूसरे को, ये तीन जो भाई एक दूसरे को बहुत प्यार करते हैं. Okay, so in which reciprocal or mutual action should be there. Now we will see interrogative and relative pronoun. So what is interrogative? जिसमें question mark आता हो, like see sentence, who brought the wet umbrella inside. So who is interrogative pronoun, जहाँ पर question पूछा गया है. Which book are you reading now? So which is also interrogative pronoun. Whose house is that? So whose is also interrogative pronoun. Now let's study some relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are those which join two sentences. Okay, this is the lady who teaches us. So एक सेंटेंस में मीन्स लेडी के बारे में बताया है, तो लेडी के लिए क्या यूज़ किया, who. read things that interest you. So टू सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए that यूज़ किया है. I do not know the man who was shouting. मैं उस इंसान को नहीं जानता जो चिल्ला रहा है. So here that sentence is join with who. So who, that, whose. Suppose कि मैं कहूँ कि I don't know whose pen is this. मुझे नहीं पता ये पेन किसकी है. So I join the sentence with whose. Right? I know that lady whom house is big. मैं वो लेडी को जानता हूँ जिसका बहुत बड़ा बंगला है. So the relative pronouns means दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ने के लिए जो वर्ड यूज होता है, that is relative pronoun.